Palawan named #1 best island to visit the world last 2025, according to DOT. Child jumped from bridge in the Panitan, the province of Capiz. 22 people injured in grenade explosion during the New Year's Eve celebration in the municipality of Matalam. And NCCC Mall VP, also known as Victoria Plaza, continues to be closed. Good evening, I'm Apolinario 30 Dignadisi Valencia, and this is Philippine Headlines. In Luzon, Palawan named #1 best island to visit in the world this 2025, according to Department of Tourism. The Department of Tourism, or DOT Mimaropa, reported that Palawan has been recognized as the #1 best island to visit in the world by U.S. News and World Reporting's 2025. According to the report, Palawan stood out due to its renowned destinations such as Kayangan Lake, the hidden lagoons of El Nido, and the Puerto Princesa underground river, which are considered some of the main reasons for the province's high recognition. DOT Mimaropa added that Palawan not only met the expectations of tourists this year but also set a global standards in tourism as a result of its unique landscapes, clear seas, and unforgettable experiences for visitors. In Visayas, child jumped from bridge in the Panitan, the province of Capiz. A video shows a child suddenly jumping from a bridge in Panitan, the province of Capiz yesterday, December 30. The person was immediately rescued, but the reasons for his jump is yet to be determined. In Mindanao, 22 people injured in grenade explosion during the New Year's Eve celebration in the municipality of Matalam, the province of Cotabato. A New Year's Eve celebration was marred by bloodshed after a grenade was thrown at a group of New Year's Eve celebrants along the National Highway in Purok Ipil-Ipil in Barangay Dalapitan, the municipality of Matalam, past midnight this January 1, 2026. Based on the spot report from the Matalam Municipal Police Station, two unidentified men riding a black Kawasaki Baja motorcycle suddenly threw a suspected grenade while the victims were in the midst of their New Year's Eve celebration. Up to 17 people were injured in the explosion, including Ronald Alejo, Cedicron Alejo, Sunny Santillan, Marco Alejo, Mark Ethan Pejero, and several other residents of the area. The injured were immediately rushed to the Mlang District Hospital using civilian vehicles. Police immediately issued a flash alarm, coordinated with the Explosive Ordnance Disposal, or EOD team, and conducted a dragnet operation to track down the suspects, who quickly fled after the incident. Authorities are still investigating the motive behind the attack. Police are continuing their investigation, while security in the area has been tightened to ensure the safety of residents following the violent incident earlier this year. Our business news: NCCC Mall VP, also known as Victoria Plaza, continues to be closed in the city of Davao. At exactly 5 o'clock in the afternoon on Wednesday, December 31, 2025, guards on duty closed the vehicle entrances and tenants packed their stock and took a final photo with the iconic shopping mall building, which closed at exactly 5 o'clock in the afternoon on Wednesday, December 31, 2025. NCCC Group of Companies President and Chief Executive Officer Lafayette Lim was not spared from the selfies by people who recognized him. NCCC Mall VP, or formerly known as Victoria Plaza, is the first shopping mall in the city of Davao that opened on March 16, 1993. It was acquired by the NCCC Group of Companies in March 2019. And that is Philippine Headlines this Thursday.
January 1, 2026.
I'm Apolinario 30 Dignadis Valencia, and this is Salakot Online Broadcasting Network. Happy New Year, Kasadya!